Okay, anyway. Okay, got the brakes right? Hold the brakes. There we go. Where's your off button, mate? You turn it off because you're in gear, mate. You're in gear. Turn it off. Huh? Turn it off, mate. There, you're in gear. Anyway, I was stopped there to just let you know there's a lot of sand here, right?
Oh, fuck it, let's just go for it.
You did?
I was worried you'd gone right down the ditch then.
Oh, he made it.